Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Jonas Kasmi. I'm the owner of E2S Forum, and previously I created two AdSense courses which are one of the top sellers in Udemy. And in this brand new course I will teach you how you can create an Autopilot Facebook page, which means a Facebook page that will be working by its own for years, bringing you engagement daily. Why you need that, you ask? First, every company needs to have an active Facebook page, and not everyone can afford a page manager. Second, you can earn from your page in many ways. For example, using instant articles, which has been introduced by Facebook in 2015 to help publishers earn money from their pages. Also, you can sell your page in communities like Player App, or you can also sell products on your Autopilot page, for example using a Shopify store. For all these reasons and more, we need to have an active Facebook page, and that's what I will be teaching you in this course. See you inside.